In this video, I'll be showing you how to deactivate your Threads profile. So you'd need to have the Threads app installed. So let's open the application, and as you can see, it is from Meta. All right, so first things first, you need to locate the profile icon at the bottom of the screen. So once you've located that icon, the next step would to select the dots in the upper right, well, the lines in the upper right corner. Now, once you've selected those lines, as you can see, we have an option here that says account. Now, if you select account, we have the option to take a break or deactivate profile. So what you'd need to do is to select deactivate profile. And as you can see here, deactivating your profile is temporary. Your profile threads, replies, and likes will be hidden until you reactivate by logging back in. So simply, once you tap the deactivate threads, it will ask you if you are sure. And once you deactivate it, you'd simply need to log back in the app to reactivate your profile. So that is how you can quickly deactivate your threads on Instagram. So thank you for watching. Hacker Plus even out.